Welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the Delta Faucet Arvo 14 Series Single-Handle Shower Faucet in stunning matte black. This all-in-one shower solution includes the Delta MultiChoice Universal Shower Valve, allowing you to easily upgrade your shower fixture without the hassle of tearing out tiles or altering plumbing. Experience the luxury of the Intuition 2-in-1 dual handheld shower head with hose, offering the versatility of using the hand shower separately or docked for a tailored shower experience. With 4 powerful spray options, including full body spray, massaging spray, and a pause feature, you can customize your shower to fit your mood. The monitor pressure balanced valve cartridge ensures a consistent water temperature, protecting you from sudden changes caused by toilet flushing or running appliances. Plus, you can install this shower kit with confidence, knowing it's backed by Delta Faucet's lifetime limited warranty. Transform your bathroom into a spa-like retreat with the Delta Faucet Arvo 14 series, combining style, functionality, and peace of mind. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.